Lecture 1. What is Canva and what can you do with it? Let's begin with a quick thought. Have you ever opened a blank PowerPoint or Word document and stared at it, unsure how to make it look good? You are not alone. Visual design often feels overwhelming if you don't have experience. That's exactly what Canva was created to fix. In this lecture, we will look into what Canva is, what it helps you do, and how people without any design background use it to create clean, professional looking visuals with ease. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand what Canva is and how it works. Identify common types of content Canva can help you create. Recognize who uses Canva and why. Explain how Canva makes designing simple and accessible. What is Canva? Canva is a free, web-based design platform that allows anyone to create professional-looking designs quickly and easily. You don't need to download any software. Just visit canva.com, click in here, click on this official website, and you are in. It's used by students, teachers, content creators, marketers, freelancers, and business owners because it removes the technical barrier that usually come with graphic design. What makes Canva beginner friendly? Canva is built on one big idea: simplicity. Everything works through drag and drop tools. You choose what you want: text, images, shapes, and move them into place. Even if you have never created a design before, Canva gives you thousands of pre-designed templates for everything from posters to resumes. You just pick a layout you like and customize it with your content. No design theory is needed. What can you create with Canva? Here are just a few of the things you can create using Canva's free version. Social media graphics, Instagram posts, Facebook covers, YouTube thumbnails, presentations for school, work, or personal use, flyers and posters for events or promotions, resumes and cover letters with visual appeal, invitations, menus, certificates, and even simple videos, infographics and charts to communicate data clearly. Canva also has built-in options for downloading, sharing, and printing your creations, all from the same platform. Real-life example. Let's say you are organizing a university club event and need to create a flyer and Instagram post. Instead of starting from scratch, you go to Canva, search for event flyer, and choose from dozens of ready-made templates. You change the title, update the date, maybe swap an image, and you are done. In less than 15 minutes, you have a polished design ready to print or post online. Canva Free versus Pro. Canva has a free plan, which is more than enough for most beginners. It gives you access to thousands of templates, hundreds of fonts and images, basic design tools, and storage. There is also Canva Pro, which includes premium content, brand kits, and more advanced features. But for this course, everything we cover will be doable with the free version.